Alright, so this is a 2010 Acura Mdx. It's going to show you a quick video on doing the front brake pads. First thing you want to do, remove our tire, the lug nuts, or size 22. Take that off. Then you come over here, have the car in the air, have your little jack stand to hold it up to be safe. You want to remove these two bolts. One there, one there. They're both 17. Take those out. Alright, once you remove your two 17, you just kind of push back on these. And you pull this off. Calipers out of your way. Just kind of want to be safe with it. Can rest it up there. Remove your old brake pads. Push back in these pistons. 1 and 2. Install your new brake pads and reverse the process. I usually remove my cover on my reservoir just to be safe. But that's pretty much it. 2010 Acura Mdx front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, tune in, hit that like button. See you next time.